Jump way up, jump.
She is getting mad.
Shy, the easiest way to hurt him is get your legs right here and then pull back on his arms as much as you can.
Okay, Nick, shut up and leave him alone. Let him do it.
I'm trying to get her to get him into an arm bar.
She gets so damn mad.
Just pulling it down by her head.
Alright, Jordan. I'm not even squeezing her. I'm not even squeezing her. I just have my arms there.
Do what I said.
Move to the scene.
They can't.
Oh!
No faking.
Wait.
She was punching him in the face.
God, Jordan.
Y'all are...
I gotta get rid of this.
Alright, go ahead, Jordan. Stop for a minute.
So,
You gotta pull the pants up. Alright, y'all two are done.
get up, Jordan.
Alright, Shy. Enough.
Me and Jordan's turn.
Poor old Ivy's over here playing by herself. Uh-oh.